Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're gonna take a look at this Delta Ara. It comes with a handle, wall mount, the shower head, and bath trim, and it comes in matte black. So let's unpackage it. Here is the wall cover. It feels of good construction. There's a little red square on this side and there's a blue square on this side. And it has a Delta logo here. So it reads this way. And I'll take a picture of it closer so you can take a look. You can barely see the Delta logo there, but it's there. Oh, there you go. Nice and smooth too. Here are some instructions. Tools you'll need to use to install it. How it will look. Maintenance, other languages, the warning labels that you can put on there. So let's keep looking. Here is the sleeve, also feels nice, nicely material, some hardware, a gasket and all that stuff. Small tool, a couple of screws, more hardware. This goes on the wall by the shower. And the neck for your shower head. What a nice looking shower head. So this will go on the wall. So it covers the hole that goes on the wall. This you won't see because this is behind here. But it feels of good construction as well. So that goes this way. Here is the handle. Nicely done as well. Very nice finish. And this is the last piece for your tub, so you can pull it up for directing the water to your shower head, or you could push it down so you can have the water run into your tub. This measures a little bit over 7 inches from side to side. This measures about 2 3/4. The height is about 2 3/4 as well. The handle itself it's over 4 1/4 and about 1.5 wide. Your shower head is about close to 5.5, and he measures the same the other way, and it's about an inch thick. Of course, measuring with the rest of it, it's about 3 inches. This is 6.5 inches by 6.5. And it looks very nice and smooth.